and today we're growing plants.
Okay, Nina. This investigation's about plants, and it's really gonna grow on ya.
Oof, that was rough, Daryl.
All right. I promise I'll turn over a new leaf.
All right. Like Daryl said, today's investigation is about plants. How do plants grow? What exactly is going on when plants gain mass?
We want to see what's going on at the macro scale and understand what's happening at the atomic molecular scale.
First, we're going to investigate what happens to carbon dioxide when we leave plants in the light and then in the dark for 24 hours. Then we'll do a longer-term plant growing investigation.
As we do our investigations, we want to keep 3 questions in mind.
The movement question,
Where are atoms moving?
the carbon question,
What is happening to the carbon atoms?
and the energy question.
What changes in energy are taking place? Now, before we start investigating our growing plants, I've got a question. Do you think these plants are breathing?
We know they don't have lungs, but we can still check on how they're exchanging gases, like CO2, with the air.
We also know that plants need light to grow. I wonder if light affects their breathing.
To set up our light and dark investigation, we'll start with both yellow and blue BTB, and some plants. BTB is bromothymol blue. BTB changes color when carbon dioxide is added, like when you blow bubbles into it.
We can use BTB to see if the carbon dioxide concentrations increase in the air. We'll have BTB in a container with the plants. These investigations will each take about 24 hours. What do you think the BTB will indicate when we leave the plants overnight in the light and dark? Let's pause now while you make predictions about what will happen in both the light and dark plant investigations.
Okay, we're back. You've made your predictions. Now let's start with the light investigation.
We put the BTB in with the plants. And remember, if BTB is yellow, we've got a high concentration of carbon dioxide. If it turns blue, there's a lower concentration.
Let's see what our little plants did overnight while we took a break.
And here are our little green friends.
You'll notice that the BTB is blue. That indicates a decrease in CO2. Did that match your prediction? Where did the carbon dioxide go? The CO2 must have gone somewhere.
And let's talk about energy. Is there any evidence of a change in energy?
The plants were in light, and light is a type of energy. I wonder what the plants are doing with that light energy. Now, let's see if anything's different when we left the plants in the dark.
The BTB was with the plants overnight, and it started off blue. Look what happened. The BTB turned yellow. That means that there's more CO2 here than when we started. Did that match your prediction?
The CO2 had to come from somewhere.
Without light, it seems as though carbon dioxide increases. It's pretty weird. We sure don't breathe differently just because someone turns out the lights, but that's what the plants are doing.